Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I will be doing some heavy gaming on the Pixel 6 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so you're looking to pick up the Google Pixel 6 Pro and you want to know if it can actually play games on it or not. In this video, we'll definitely be playing some heavy games on it. I want to see, does it overheat? How does the Tensor chip do with the gameplay? How does the speaker sound? And like I said, does it overheat? And how bad does the battery drain while you playing games on this phone? Look at the beauty of this phone though. So the games we are going to be playing will be probably some Call of Duty, some Mortal Kombat, and then also some Asphalt 9. You gotta play Asphalt 9. The battery life is at 98% right there. And let's check the temperature of the phone. Right now it's at 81.6. All right, so let's start the games. I'm gonna start with Mortal Kombat. Now this game is kind of gruesome. Let's see if we can win. Again, judge the phone how it looks, but not how I play the game. Oh, she came in there kicking my butt. Okay. That was kind of easy. Y'all let me know how it sounds. How does everything look? Hopefully I can keep this in the focus of the game. Oh, kill them all. Again, what y'all think about this game?
Well done.
It actually looks pretty good. That display looks great. I'm gonna play one more round, and then that way we can move on to the next game. Okay, this dude looks mean. Oh. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt real bad. Oh, what was that? Okay. Oh, kick his butt. Oh. That's the funniest thing ever. Oh. Man, this one's taking a lot longer. Oh, victory again. Alright, so that was some Mortal Kombat. What y'all thought about that game? How did it sound? Let's check out the temperature. It is up to 97.2. And I'm at 96% battery life. So about 2% off of battery. And it jumped up to 98 as far as the temperature, which is not horrible. The phone does feel a little bit warm in the back. Let's move to Asphalt 9. Shout out to the challenger here. What y'all think about the graphics on here and how does the screen look? Again, hopefully it's staying in focus on the camera. Get off me, fool. Man, they tough. Oh. Oh, first place, y'all, first place. What y'all thought about that? How did it look? How did it sound? I just want to play the next game. I'm not care about this. Alright, we're going to play one more round. So far, the phone does feel like it's getting hot. It's a little bit warm down here on my right hand side. But the Tensor chip doesn't look bad so far. Hopefully it looks good in the video. Get off me, fool. It looks pretty good by what I'm seeing at least on the phone. Oh, okay. Did that car just hit the wall? Now I'm driving like I'm from Texas. Man, that car is just faster than me. I'm just busting through stuff, yo. Oh, can I win? Yes, I can. So that was Asphalt 9. What y'all thought about that? Actually looked pretty good too. No, I'm not gonna watch the ad. But let's see how hot the phone is right now. Maybe. So right now, it's at 98.8, 99 almost. I'm at 94%, so it dropped about 4%, 99.2. Now the phone did feel a little bit warmer than the other games, but it is going up though. We had 100. Let's see how long it takes to go. 100.7, 101, 101.2. So the longer I sit here, the hotter it's getting. So let's play some Call of Duty and see, does the heat affect the gameplay? Because again, it's warm right here. It's actually warm pretty everywhere though. But it's hotter down here. Alright, don't laugh at my shooting. I really can't play these games on the phone, but they're still fun to play. Oh, this one's usually the hard one. I think you gotta go to 50 or something. Oh, behind me.
Enemy contact.
Oh, I got killed. I died. The phone does feel warm, but it's not like overheating. I died again, yo. Where you at? Yes, we win, and we got 5 left to go. There's one more guy. Oh, we won, y'all. We won. All right, so that was Call of Duty. Let's see how we are doing. How hot. The phone is warm now, y'all. I won't say it's like you can't touch it, but you can definitely see that it's warm. I'm going to let it sit here for a little bit and see how hot it actually gets. Now I'm at 90% battery, so what, I use about 8% of the battery, and it's up to 103. Now I might edit this a little bit too for just the sake of the video. Alright y'all, so it's been a couple minutes and it actually got up to 108.2. That was the hottest I've seen it. So what y'all think about it? Y'all let me know how everything looked. How did it play the games? What y'all think about the battery life? Was it good, bad? I want to know your opinions on it. For me, it looked like it did pretty well. I mean, yeah, the phone did get a little bit hot on the back, but come on, it is playing some heavy games on there. It is trying to push the graphics to the max, but everything else looked pretty good for me. But I want to know what y'all thought about it. What did y'all see when y'all was watching the video? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.